Looking for creative ways to mark your plants in your garden? Identifying plants is not just practical, it can also be a chic addition to your green haven. Imagine a garden teeming with unique, stylish markers. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 creative plant markers for a stylish garden. First up, we have painted stones. This creative plant marker is easy to make. Simply find a stone, paint it, and voila, you have a beautiful marker. They not only identify your plants, but also add an artistic touch to your garden. Painted stones are not only easy to make, but they also add a fun, artistic touch to your garden. Next, consider wine corks on skewers. This method makes use of your old wine corks, simply poking them onto skewers. They're not only eco-friendly, but also weather-resistant and easy to write on. Wine corks on skewers are a great way to recycle and keep your garden stylish. Let's explore wooden spoons, bricks, and clothespins as creative markers. Wooden spoons provide a generous surface for labeling, while bricks, sturdy and weather-resistant, can be written on using a waterproof marker. Clothespins, on the other hand, offer a charmingly rustic and flexible option. Just clip them onto plants or stakes with the plant's name written on. These markers are not only practical, but they also add a rustic charm to your garden. Lastly, we have DIY clay tags and chalkboard stakes. These markers are a delightful blend of creativity and practicality. To create them, simply shape clay into small tags, etch the name of your plant, and let it dry. For chalkboard stakes, paint wooden stakes with chalkboard paint and write with chalk. Both options are not only functional, they also add a touch of whimsy to your garden. These markers are customizable, chic, and perfect for those who love DIY projects. So there you have it, 7 creative plant markers for a stylish garden. Painted stones, wine corks on skewers, wooden spoons, bricks, clothespins, DIY clay tags, and chalkboard stakes. Each unique, each offering its own charm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!